Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today, you know what I love? I like doing something for the first time. What do I mean? Well, I got a product here and that we have done many times, but this is the first one we've done on this truck and it is different. So I'll go into that in 1 second. Before we do that, that is our telephone number. I know a lot of people ask me a lot of questions online and sometimes I get to them, sometimes I don't. If you want it answered and you want an answer fast, call the store. You can ask for our general manager, John, who's behind the camera. He has great answers to good questions. So that being said, come on, John, let's take a look what we got going over here. Well, before we get into everything we've done, let's go ahead and, this is the gentleman's company here. He actually drove all the way up from Miami to have us work on it. And since he has done some business with us, can we do a little business with him? All right, so you can see all the stuff he does here. He does a lot of stuff and a real nice guy. So again, you can always freeze this spot if you want to see what he does. There's his telephone number. Okay, so that being said, now he's got a Revolver X4TS on here, which has the T-slots. Now he installed it, not us, but looks like he did a very nice job. And of course, you can, with the T-slot, you can go add everything that's on my truck, you can add to this truck. So, but what did we do today? Well, let me show you what we did. Well, we did a deck system for the Ford Ranger. Now this one's a little different, so let's go ahead and open this all the way up here. Okay, now the deck system here, as you know, most of the time it is a 2-drawer system. The main difference on this one, it's a 1-drawer. It's 1 large drawer versus 2 small drawers, and I do like that. And of course, with the Ford Ranger, it is a smaller bed. But as you can see, if you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and move this little piece of material out of the way. I didn't realize that was in here. And after the video, I'll put it back in there. So let's put that to the side. So let's take a good look on how sharp this looks in here. As you can see, there is room between the top and the deck system. So if you want to put stuff in here, you want to put a ladder, one of those old fold-up ladders, whatever, you can put stuff in here and still secure the cover. So of course, the most important thing is, let's see what the drawer looks like. So again, rolls on out here. Comes a couple, you get your little storage units, it does come with it here. And as you can see, there's a lot of room in here. So again, it has a little rubber mat, so it keeps these guys from moving around here. And I tell you, this is a sharp thing. Of course, let's see, there we go. So now, so you got your drawer system here, you got your top here, you can put stuff on here. Also, there is storage on the sides here. Let's see, these go pop off here. There we go, sorry. And you can see you got storage in there as well. Now there's 2 in the front, 2 in the back here. The ones in the back a little bigger. Let's see here. Let's see. There you go. A little oomph to get in, especially when they're new. Now if you look over here in the deck system, they got this nice little conversion chart here. And this is convenient too. Again, a lot of people are using this for work, just like this guy's doing it for work. That's kind of nice to have. Now you can get a lock for this, but if you have a locking cover, it's really not necessary, because once the tailgate is up, even if you don't have a cover, as long as the tailgate is locked, you can't access this. But you can get a lock for it if you feel like needing it. Now, we can send this anywhere in the country. Now, or you can come here, we can put it in for you, no problem. This does take a little bit of time to install. It's not the easiest thing in the world. From a scale from 1 to 10, I'll put it a 7 or 8. I mean, it's not hard. It's just, you know, a lot of pieces. 2 guys, it does make it easier to do the install. So if it's just you by yourself, you might need a little help there, because a lot of this stuff you have to build outside and then you pick it up, put it inside. So having that extra person does make it a lot easier. Again, I like this product. As you know, we got a lot of videos with deck. Of course, this is the first time we've done one with this. Now I'm going to put a link of this product on the bottom of this YouTube video. So if you go to the bottom of the video, you want to see how much it costs and you want to see how much you get to your house, wherever it is, it has all that information on the video. Now you can call the store and you can ask for, again, John, our general manager. You can ask for me, Chris, or Buddy, or Joel, or anyone else who answers the phone. We can answer any of your questions you might have. So again, this is a great product. You can have it here, you can have it home, whatever you like. So, and of course, we can handle doing the covers for you as well. Like I said, this guy did the cover himself, but again, we can do that for you as well. So before I go, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with the latest and greatest products. Thank you so much.